Now blue is not enough.
Hey ladies, welcome back to the channel. Today is going to complete my final 30 days of Wigmas for December. So I hope you guys have been enjoying it. So the last wig that we have today is by the Red Carpet collection. And I think that this wig, now the Red Carpet isn't the name. I think that this name has changed. But anyway, the name of the wig that we have today is Amber, and it is in the style RCP767. I have the wig in color 1B, and this is the packaging that it comes in. And it is a lace front wig. Let me take it out. It does come with hard lace around the ear to ear. And then you get two combs at the temple on the side of the part. You get a comb in the back. You do get adjustable straps as well. So just your regular cap construction. Let me take off the tag here. So this is the wig, and let's look at the parting area. The parting area is kind of closed, so I'm probably going to have to tweeze that. So this is the wig on after I went in and cleaned out the parting area. I just cleaned out a little bit, maybe about 1/2 inch. And so this is the wig on. This is before I manipulate it. I just wanted you to see it when it comes basically straight out and how it looks. This is a 360 of it, and just if you leave it curly like this, I plan to comb out the curls, but if you leave it curly, this is how it's going to look on you. And I don't think it looks bad. I just think I want to comb them out. So I'm going to just pin my hair up, and I'm going to cut off the lace. As I mentioned, this is hard lace. The cap construction seems just a little bit off from where I wanted to put my part at. It seems just like it knocked the cap construction off a little bit. So I'm going in and I'm going to just cut off the lace, and I'm probably going to situate it slightly behind my hairline since the color I have is a dark color. I feel like I can situate it behind my hairline. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. This cap construction, like I mentioned, it's just where the combs are. It seems like they were kind of sticking me. So if I was to wear this, I'd probably have to go in and cut the combs out. You ladies know I don't really use the combs that much. So it's not a problem for me. So I'm just going in and I'm literally taking out a teeny bit of my edges. Y'all know my edges look rough. So just bear with me on that. I'm just taking it out just to show you that you can just blend in some of your edges and sit it behind your hairline. So I'm going to go through and brush it out and just kind of make it more wavy than curly. And then I'm going to come back to you at the end and give you my final thoughts on Miss Amber. I think she's cute. I think she's workable. But let's see what we can do with these curls, because I just don't like them formed too much. I don't like them being too defined. So I'll be back at you once I'm done doing what I do. Final look for her, and I will tell you that she's super cute. She is really, really cute. Okay, let me get into some cons. The only con I see is probably going to be the parting area. I mentioned that because some people don't know how to clean out the parting area. The parting area. Now, you don't have to clean it out, but to me, this parting area came like pretty close. So I think you should clean it out just a little bit. I didn't add powder. I just cleaned it out. Besides that, the curls do come formed, so you are going to have to take your powder brush or take a brush and kind of go through the curls, I think, so that they don't look so uniformed. Otherwise, that's probably the only two things I would have. And maybe where the combs are, because I don't use them, so the combs kind of was maybe bothering me because of the way it was sitting on the side of the hairline. But other than that, I think it's a cute wig. I like it. The pros of it is you can push it behind your hairline, kind of like I did. Y'all excuse my edges. You know my edges are a mess. So you can push it behind there, you know, but clean your edges up. Don't look like me. Don't look crazy like me. And you can put it behind your hairline so that it looks real natural. And you can do the same thing in the front. I just put it behind my hairline up front as well. Or you could push it all the way. You see how I cut? Or you could push it all the way up, but you would have to do the straps tighter. I got the straps kind of loose in the back. So I like that. I like once you comb the hair out, I like the way the hair looks. Like, this hair looks so cute and so natural. Like, really natural. I like that. I will say one con, although I like the way the hair look, I do think it gets kind of frizzy. Now, I don't mind that because I think, to me, that's a little added touch, you know, like it makes it maybe look a little bit more natural, but it does look a little frizzy once you start combing it out. But other than that, I think it's a cute unit. Like, I don't have anything bad really to say about it, any cons. So the pros is everything. I like the length. I like the cut. I like how you go in and there's multiple layers, even in the curls. Because I just finger combed out this side. And as you can see, you know, it still looks good. I didn't have to cut anything. Now, I think that I will need to go in and cut the front if I was to wear it. And that's fine. I can do something like that, you know, in the front. I think that'd be fine. But otherwise, like, the unit is pretty, to me, it comes pretty perfect. Now, I'm 5'5", so this is where it sits on me as far as my shoulders are concerned. So it may be, if your neck is longer, it may sit shorter on you, or if you're shorter, it may, you know, sit more on your shoulders. But I think it's perfect. I think this hair is like a perfect everyday wig, or even in the summer, because you don't have to worry about it being too long or whatever. It's not heavy. It doesn't feel, you know, hot. It doesn't even feel like a lot of hair. It gives you a lot of hair, but it's not heavy like a lot of hair. So I like that. And what else I can say about this? Because I really think it's a cute unit. I'm pretty surprised that it was this cute. I don't know what I was expecting. I've seen this unit a couple times on the website, and I think because of the way they have the front, I didn't really see the part, so I wasn't sure of that there was a part there, but there is a good, pretty decent part. And if you wanted some more height up in here, then you could obviously cut up in here to give it some more height or something like that up in there. But all in all, I think it's a cute unit. I have more pros than I do cons. So I say if you have a chance to pick this unit up, pick it up. I ended up getting this unit from my local BSS. I think I got it from Beauty Depot. So I'll leave the information. So if you live locally, to go pick it up from Beauty Depot. Otherwise, if I find it online, I'll leave a link where you can purchase it online. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video today. And if you decide to share this video or any of my videos on your social media, don't forget to tag me in it. As you know by now, my name is Beauty by Mark. You guys have a Merry Christmas. See you in my next video. Bye.